Hello. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to send Interac E-Transfer on Scotia Bank. So these are the steps. So first one is open the Scotia Bank application on your mobile devices. Secondly, log into your credentials, of course, your username and password. Next one is open the bottom part of the screen and then choose Move Money. There's gonna be, I think, 5 options there, and Move Money is on the middle one. Click on it. After clicking Move Money, you're gonna be redirected to another options, and then simply look for Interac E-Transfer. This is gonna be the title itself. Once you click on Interac E-Transfer, click on fill in which account to send it from and whom to send it to. Basically, the application will ask you which bank account will you get the money from, and then just input the bank account number to send the money to. Okay. Once you fill all the details there, simply swipe the arrow to send. There's gonna be like a swiping arrow to the right to send the money, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Okay. Goodbye for now.